Hello everyone, we are going to set up CachyOS for gaming. Whether you are a casual gamer or a pro, this setup will get you started with everything you need to play smoothly, while also be installing an awesome tool called GameMode that will help boost your gaming performance. So let's dive in. Once you are on CachyOS, setting up your gaming environment, it's super easy. There is a built-in tool called CachyOS Hello. Just click on that. From here you can see AppToX, go there, and here is the option install gaming packages. You can see I already installed that, so that's why it's showing this message. But if you are looking for something more custom, don't worry. You can also head over to the CachyOS Wiki. There, there you will find a gaming tool section. Uh, Here, it's the detailed guide for the gaming setup. You can see the CachyOS Gaming Meta package includes many gaming-related libraries and tools and stores. This CachyOS gaming applications. It includes Steam, Lotus, Heroic Game Launcher, OG Overlay, Mango, etc. And CachyOS Hello. This I already this I already shown you how this is going to work. And now let's move to the main tool, which help a lot, which is game mode. We are going to install it through sudo pacman s game mode. Once it installed, you are you are ready to go. Game mode will work with any game to give you better performance, making those instant gaming sessions smoother. And that's it. Your CachyOS gaming setup is now complete with all the essentials. Don't forget to drop a comment below and let me know what topics you would like to see next.